Limassol is the second largest city in Cyprus, with a population of around 300,000. The city is renowned for its rich history and cultural heritage. It offers numerous attractions, such as the ancient cities of Kourion and Amathus, as well as the medieval castle where King Richard the Lionheart was married during the Crusades. A stroll through the narrow streets of the old city will immerse you in its charm and history. As you descend towards the sea, you'll find yourself at Limassol Marina, where cosy restaurants and cafes line the waterfront. The sounds of music, laughter and conversation create a relaxed and welcoming atmosphere. Nearby is Molos Park, the largest and most beautiful park in Cyprus. A walk along its palm-lined avenues with stunning views of the bay is sure to bring you joy. In short, Limassol is a delightful and picturesque place, well worth a visit during your stay in Cyprus.